Afternoon, everyone. My name is Millesa Dirsa. I'm from ABL 3B night class. So here's I want to make an midterm assignment. So this is about how to write a formal and informal email. Formal email is used when conducting business with a new associate or executive, sending a professional inquiry and corresponding about a job. So the first we have to do is we have to make sure the Civer email is right. This is I want to give the email for Miss Anissa, and then we must to write a subject. This is very important. The subject is business introduction. So we give one space and then we have to greet appropriately. Choose the appropriate greeting, such as dear, hello, to whom it may concern, or greetings like good morning. Here's I wrote, dear Miss Anissa. And then we have to introduce ourselves. Here's I write my name. My name is Millesa. And then we have to um, explain about our company. We have to introduce them about our company, tell them about what is the business we run to. This is my company is run about the decoration and artworks, and then we have a motto: we design as what you think. The last sentence here, we we must show that we really want uh, to be work and cooperate with them. And in the last paragraph, we can give our contact so that they can be contact us at this number. We should remember that we have to keep things short and concise because it's important not to burden your professional emails with a lot of too much information that doesn't matter to your recipient. Edit your emails for length and clarity and add bullets or new paragraphs and lists wherever you can. These formatting tools can make your email easier to read and more impactful. For the closing, use a formal close. There is several formal email closings such as thank you for your time, sincerely, respectfully, thank you, or looking forward to hearing from you. Here's I used with many thanks and best wishes. And we arrived at the last step. This is you should include a professional signature. If your email address is the first impression, your email signature is the last. So make sure it includes the following, such as your name, contact information, title, or a link to page for any professional uh, account, such like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And here's my name and then my title, and this is my company name. So that's all about the formal email. Okay, next is informal email. An informal email is an informal piece of writing. So here's we don't have to be too much serious because an informal email we can write it for our friends or our family. As usual, we have to make sure that the recipient email is right. This is I wrote it for kiki11 at gmail.com. Sorry, gmail.com. And then the subject, this is up to you. You can write it or if you want it, or you cannot write it if you don't want it. Here's I read it. The subject is how are you? Give one space, and then as usual too, we can um, the next is we greeting our friends. It can be like hi or dear. It's up to you. And then his this is like a great ideal like he's been moved to USA, and then I ask about how's his life there because I really miss him. And then this is the last paragraph. I tell Kiki that I really hope that he's always be fine. Yeah, we can close it with any um, informal closings. I use it yours in confidence and then my name. I have a few tips for informal email, like use formula like expression to start and finish your email, or you and use informal words and expression. Respond to your friends' email in a friendly and chatty style. Use a variety of structures for giving advice, and don't forget to respond to all the points in your friend's email. Okay, so the next is a cover letter. A cover letter is a one-page document that you submit as part of your job application. This is alongside with your CV or resume. First is we have to greet the hiring manager, not the overly popular like dear sir or dear madam. We need to show our future boss that we did our research and are really passionate about working with their team. Okay, so we give one space, and in this paragraph, we write out like our achievement, and it should be uh, as relevant as possible to the position. Here's I write it. As a dynamic email marketing specialist with over 2 years of professional experience executing market research and then analyzing consumer data and running A/B tests to drive successful marketing campaigns. This is about my achievement. Here's I write about my experience. And in the next paragraph, we can write about or we can explain why we are the perfect person for this position. This is where you can show off your professional skills and convince the hiring recruitment manager that you are a better fit for the job than all the other applicants. I wrote that my proven track record of excellent work ethic, unparalleled attention to detail, and high performing email marketing campaigns will make me an immediate asset at Westward Strategies. And finally, this you can finish up your cover letter and write the conclusion. Can be wrap up any points you couldn't in the previous paragraphs, thank the hiring manager for their time, and then finish the cover letter with a call to action. And not forget, here's I wrote my email address for them to can contact me, and we can use the right formal closing such as best regards, kind regards, or thank you. Here's I used sincerely, and then I wrote my name in the last. So, so that's all about my formal, informal, and cover letter video. Thank you so much for your time, and see you.